Okay, we're given the graph of the original function and we'll try to sketch its derivative. So here we go. Well, notice that this right here, we have a bunch of corners, so we actually do not have the derivative here, here, and there. So be really careful. But the good thing is that this, and that, they're all straight lines. So we actually just have constant derivative, right? So for example, pick a point right here. You know that this is going to give us a slope. It's just going to be a number. And notice that though, this right here, it's actually flatter than that. This is more down, right? So in fact, if you start right here, this is more like slope equals 1, yeah? So I will actually go down and that will give me slope equal to 1. Let's say this is my 1. And then if you are right here, in fact, it's just the same line, right? So still equal to 1. So from here to here, you can see that the slope is always going to be 1. So I will actually connect the dots like this, right? Likewise, if you go to the other side, this right here is like -1, -1, -1. So actually, we'll just go down like this. This is -1, -1, -1, like that. And again, I will just connect the dots like this, right? And earlier, we talked about it. This right here, it's not as steep as this. So if I said this right here is -1, so I will actually have to go a little bit above. So let's say maybe it's like -1/2. So again, a little bit above. And then if you put a point, it's going to be like this, all the stuff, right? So if this right here is slope -1/2, then that will give me the graph right here. Likewise, for this part, again, straight line, looks like slope is like half of that maybe. And again, when we go down, it has to have a lower y value than the one that we had earlier. So it's like this, right? So that's pretty much the idea. And now at the end, we have to make sure that we indicate where we cannot differentiate this, right? Which is this, this, and that. To do this right here, we will actually have to use open circles at the endpoints. So there's no derivative here, here, and here. So this right here is it.